shaking the windows down in Melbourne there, 016, Madman, back out.
There, mate, I'm hanging for that plucking piss there, mate. I might stain his blanket there, mate, with his blood. Stain his blanket with his own blood there, mate, when I drop him.
Blanket, the blanket, hello.
His own blanket, his own blood, I'm gone.
Spank him with his own blanket, that's what you said, spank him. Hello, fireman, Madman waving.
Madman, fireman. They're running away, 28. They're running away.
I don't need to run away, 28. Tell him 28. I got the blanket.
Hang around and talk.
How many times does he want me to wipe it?
The man stained his own duck plucking blanket with his own blood when I let him go. I took him for a free run.
No.
Steel choir.
How many times does he want me to wipe it? That's what I heard him say. Watch out, Superman. He said, how many times do you want him to wipe it with his blanket? Come on! I think Squid better change his beam to another direction there, 28, because I got the conditions to you there, 28, you Madman, right there.
Oh, man, I'll be telling you to wipe it.
Watch out, he's good, Madman. 28 away, that's all you.
You will come again there, 28. You will come again. Watch me through the patch.
Tell him I got him again there, 28, Madman, back out.
Still built for that plucking mud ducks. Watch me go through them like a speeding bullet. The man is still right there.
Man is still right there. Watch out for the blanket. How many times are you going to wipe you with the blanket? Watch out for the blanket, the steel, the blanket. The steel duck plucking blanket. Come on!
Bulletproof. I'm bulletproof. Hey, 28, I'm bulletproof.
I got the blanket wiping the Superman, aloha.
If the man of steel is gone.
Bulletproof. Man of steel, the steel and the deal, the red. Deep in the bananas. Hello, 123, Madman waving.
Anyway, off the key don't count. You take care 123, take care 28. I'm going to put this thing back on the rack, man. I'm going to put it back in the rack and let them boys have some airtime. The man of steel back quiet. Have a great day.
Hey, the man of steel, he's still the show. Hey, man of steel, you're still.
Go get him, Madman.
You go get him 750. You got a big antenna.
I haven't got a big antenna, I got a little antenna.
Go listen out for all my mate out there. Listen to all my numbers.
No. Listen to me. I got the blanket down under, aloha. Don't steal the show.
No, I got a little antenna, Madman. It's not a big one. Little antenna.
Little? Why not?
I got no room to put up a big antenna.
Okay.
That's not the size, it's how you use it.
Yeah, it's not the size, it's how much you put through it.
I'm only doing 500 with 40 watts in.
I'd be happy with that.
What's wrong with your amplifier?
Nothing, I haven't got that much.
I just calling. Come on. Someone was calling on 750 key, but they'll get back to me.
Oh well, paused for a moment, but oh well.
What amplifier is it?
Doing your thing around the great big island. Hello, Max. Hello, Mad Max around here. You steal the show. 25 around Honolulu. Come on down.
In between 28 keying up there. Is that your 25 I can hear it there in the background? In the back of my radio? Madman, reading the mail.
Madman 28, Madman. Come on, Madman.
Where are we going, 28? I always want to go to Hawaii, so maybe one day we'll get there, eh?
Fantastic. That's the 29 LT.
You can have some Maui Wowie.
Madman with the blanket.
Come on, Madman with the blanket.
750 with the Sydney blanket.
You can say that again.
750, 123.
LA 123, heard you out there, man. We're just doing a bit of local talking. We're just messing around. LA 123 750 123 750. Let's go.
No doubt about it. I will come see you on your radio. No doubt about it. Take care, man. The 29. 123 was calling you. Around.
Yeah, I got back, but it's pretty rough and tough, man. Yeah, I heard you calling out 123, pretty rough and tough, man. So we'll just let this channel roll. 123, take care. 750. A whole lot of noise on this channel, man. Take care. 123 750. We're going again.
I'm putting a blanket on, just letting them all have a go there, 28. I'm not putting it away, I'm just letting it relax and letting other people have a go.
Yeah, I'm trying to hear Hawaii there, Madman. You got the blanket. No Hawaii in my radio, just the Madman.
Marshal fireman, get it in there around the arm, East 10 Province. Can fireman get up there around the arm, East 10 Province? I can fireman.
750, got the blanket around Sydney.
Fireman, mate.
Man, that's a whole lot of mess in my radio. Whole lot of mess. Heard someone say 750. Whole lot of mess in my radio. 750, 10-6 listening.
Hey, you should be where I am now. I'm getting it from all angles.
You should do your. Have you got your Nokia gate going?
No, I don't, man. Actually, I might get it going.
Yeah, get it going. I want to at least hear myself in your radio.
Yeah, I've already got one up there, I think. But yeah, hang on. I'll get the Nokia gate rolling. 25.
Yeah, Roger. At least it's not an Apple gate. That'd be worse.
I'm on the radio. Hey, Madman. Hey, yeah, fireman. How's the weather your way, mate? Falling down with rain, Melbourne, remember? It's overcast, but muggy. Yeah, 10-4, alright, mate. I'm 10-12 and I'll be reading them off. No worries. Knocking gates rolling for you, 750, you Madman, back out.
No, checking that. Yeah, you're not doing 30s no more. That's shocking. Now, I think you're only doing 20s now, but good to see your Nokia gate going, man. Yeah, I don't know if you can... if I turn up the volume, you'll hear the bloody rain. Yeah, bit of rain, and it's pretty humid, like you said, man. 100% humidity there, go.
Like a freight train, the man is still getting down.
Like a freight train, the man is still...
Nokia gate, Nokia gate, Nokia gate.
It's the 123.
Right there, 123, man. They ain't gonna mess with me because I am the man of steel and the real duck plug.
Blanket around Sydney, the blanket town, 750. Got the Sydney blanket now, come on.
Freight train, and man, the man of steel is getting down again.
Faster than a speeding bullet, stronger than a freight train. Man of steel, 123, Honolulu.
Right there, 123, I guarantee you there, man. You shone up like a duck and bad habit. 28 out there and 25 before all out there, man. They're all out there playing the game. Whoa, 123, the man of steel right there at your attention right now.
There's the sound of rain right there. That's the sound of rain.
Down in Honolulu, and I got down.
You got it all, man, when you said it all, 1, 2, 3. I'm back on the side now. I'm just going to spill some water gates. I'm back quiet.
It's a Nokia gate, a Nokia gate.
Sorry, man, little girl was calling me, so I had to go and sort her out.
That's right, you didn't miss much.
It's a man of steel. There's some...
Hey, I'm over there, 28. The blanket's still here, 28. You Madman, reading the mail. No worries, and the Nokia gate's still rolling. 28, you Madman, right there.
Put a blanket over his head, I'm gone.
A blanket on his head, a blanket on his head.
That's what I did there, 123. Stuck it straight over his head.
Tell him 123, the Madman's putting the blanket down under. Laura.
Million miles an hour, and a duck plug and put a load on his lips, I'm gone.
Nokia gate, Nokia gate, the Nokia gate.
Look at that, the man is still 1 million miles on duck plug an hour.
Check.
Look at me spinning around 100 million.
Look at me, key up over that boat anchor, Roger.
Faster than a duck plug and speed.
Keying up.
Big ass Squid smoking, ain't no dumb plug joke. Super Squid, the man of steel, Mr. 123, downtown in Honolulu, all the way down.
Take care, the man is still 123, I'm back quiet.
Hello.
28's in the mud.
Come on!
In the mud, 28's in the mud. What's going on?
Blanket. Come back in the mud, back. The blanket's here, 28.
Banana.
Banana. What happened to the boat anchor? He's not keen up anymore on that boat anchor.
Banana. I've got the banana there, mate.
He's got the banana hanging out of his boat anchor, Roger.
I've got one banana for both. Super Squid, the man is still going.
One banana for the bowl. 123, I'll see ya.
I don't share, man. I don't share. I'll give the same.
Oh, good there, because I got the blanket. I'll just take me and bananas there, Roger. My banana.
Hey, 123, sometimes I call it 241, man. 2 for 1, and I'm back quiet.
241, though. I must have smothered the 28 with the blanket. Where'd you get 28?
Yeah, that's what I call a man of steel. They don't hurt me.
Too much blanket, 28. Now I can't hear.
Man of steel go.
Blanket, blanket, blanket.
28 choked on his banana.
Hey, 123, you can call me all the names they want to, but the man of steel still here. I'll see you.
They can call you all the names they want to. Man of steel. You still there? Hey, I can hear you there, 25, Madman waving here in Sydney with the blanket.
They can cross key, but what are they going to do with me? At 25 and 123, they can cross key, but what are they going to do with me? They can call me any name they want to.
No, you just put the blanket. Aloha.
Still coming back, and I ain't going to make
Blanket in my radio.
back quiet.
Man, I'm just cruising and stepping the mobile. Man, I'm talking to one on the 21. I'll get on out of everyone's way.
My little blanket around Sydney town.
On the video gate too. Yes, I'll see ya.
That's what it is, eh?
Oh yeah, blanket, blanket, blanket.
They can bite me, kick me, punch me, and
Hey, I should count when he DKs and then he's with me.
to me, the man is still 125. Have a great night.
That wouldn't be nice.
Oh no, lucky I'm nice, eh?
Yeah, I reckon.
Guys, mate, from the land down under. Which one? You got 5 men. I'm start the man. I only got the red line.
Right, 25, that's like a man. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it, man. I just had a real good time today, man. It's been
The blanket, the Melbourne blanket.
fun there, man. Conditions sort of there sometimes don't fall for you. 25.
Exactly when I got the blanket.
The man is still back on the slide.
Put some kryptonite in your day, mate.
Must be a pretty soaky blanket about now.
Right, man, put it in the wash every day and get it back every day, that's all. You don't miss a 25, and my nasty low-down son and mash.
The man is still on the mail.
Hey, 6-man, 5-man, listening to the radio show. 21. Cruising is 29 LTV Cobra. The Cobra Classic. How about my little icon there, Roger? Right there,
Can you hear those truckies now, Madman?
Yeah, Roger.
And
Yeah, where are they?
I don't know.
the classic.
Must be Queensland then. Are you getting them like skip? Are they skip to you?
Nothing fantastic. There's no classic. It's just a man of steel. I've done it again. I'm still here. I'm gone.
Yeah, well, mate reckons they're close to him because they do him like a 20.
Are they skip to you or are they local?
Well, if they're close to my mate, they'd be local.
Ah, okay, yeah, I can hear them too. Yeah, bloody hell. Then they should be able to hear you if they're in Sydney.
Well, they probably can't hear themselves.
You still... and you still got it laid all the way down, back and down. Take care. 25. The man of steel. Oh.
How far is your mate away from you?
And the blanket was the boat anchor.
How far is your mate from you?
About 15 minutes.
Ah, okay, yep. I don't think they know that Channel 11 is a cool channel.
Yeah, I know. I keep arguing with them all the time, just sick arguing with them. Just let them try and be heard.
Unbelievable.
One day they might piss off back to Channel 8.
Out of all the channels, I had to pick Channel 11. Not that it really matters once a skip rolls in, but you think they would have worked it out by now.
That's a Roger. got one. A lot of local talking, man. Around the Big Island.
Hey, 25, yeah, we're just local talking, man. 750 local talking. Hello, 2525 750 local talking now.
Who lives 2525? I'm back quiet.
You got the lips, man. I'm actually quite lucky because not many people in Sydney want to chase the 11 a.m, so it's good.
Take it.
Yeah, that's true.
I heard you dig get him and tell him, oh, Bulldozer's right there. Bulldozer's in the mix. Dropping his thing down. Bulldozer, good down. I tell you, they're doing local talking because they can't get it back to you, Super Squid girl.
Hey, is that the jar? Is that the scrap collector I heard? Squid, you said the local talking? Squid, 25.
They can't get it back. Hey, 25, Bulldozer's right there. 25, Bulldozer right there.
Hey, scrap collector. I'm still putting the blanket.
Plugging ears, man.
Ear plugger.
Man, don't worry about Bulldozer. I'm the man of steel.
Hey, I got the blanket to 28. I got the blanket A28, tell him.
And 25, man, and Bulldozer want to come out there, tell me he's going to play with the man of steel. They call me Superman down south. Come on.
County now. I got him yanking and cranking, man. 59, man, I got that. I'm going to upload this video, Gate. I'll be back.
Right there, 25, I got room for all the junk in my scrapyard. There's a man of steel and this and that, but I can scrap up a bit of steel and put in my scrap collection. Hello, speed races, 25, your Bulldozer's in the scrapyard. Right down, right there. There's that fucking 25, steel, you muscle man down south. Cut down.
25. Yeah, aloha. Check out that 25 and 2510. Just waving before him. Bye. Intermission over. Y'all have a good day. 2510. Read the mail. Oh, 2510.
Alright, 2510. I don't know if you got a copy there, man. I just come out and bummed it down while I'm eating a hamburger, man. I'll be just stood around for a few seconds and I've got to get back on the tools. Hello, 2510. Hello, 2525. I've got my ears jammed up on this end. Got a whole lot of locals talking to. The Bulldozer station. Right there!
Okay, Bulldozer, take care while you work it right there. Bulldozer, 2510 says you're working it in Honolulu. Take care, Bulldozer, 2510. Bulldozer, 2510. Aloha.
There's 2510. I'm eating a hamburger and it just exploded, man. I got a bit of onion and some tomato ketchup all down the front of me nice white shirt there. So I'll be on the side there and clean up all this mess I just made when this hamburger exploded right there.
Right back. While you clean the mess up. While you're taking that lunch break, clean up your mess. Take it now, 2510.
The blanket.
And cruising Honolulu, 2510, gone, aloha. Hey, no.
That's what happened, mate. Alright, there, 2510. Just get back, I got a bit of onion here. If you got hamburgers like what we got over here, got an onion, tomato, hamburger meat, tomatoes, sauce or ketchup, whatever you might call it, a big old egg in there. The yolk exploded, man. There's a whole lot of wreckies going on. No doubt about it. The lunch break station got down, alright?
Lunch break. Check the numbers. What kind of numbers? Bulldozer 2510.
My number's not too bad there, mate. My radio's even warmed up here. It's only got a signal street copy on you there, man. The old meter takes about 10 or 20 overs to kick up there. So I got a 21, man. Like normal. Every time I talk, someone calls me. I gotta go. Bye.
20 over right there. 20 over right there. Look at it while you're on the phone. 20 over, 2510. Aloha.
Man of steel on this small drive. The man of steel on this small drive. Watch me pull that bulldozer and throw him in his duck like a mess. The man of steel getting down right there.
2510, Honolulu.